HP App for PCs – How to get more help through the HP app. If you still experience system issues after running optimization tests and diagnostic checks on your PC, you can use the HP app to access additional support. In the Get Help section, you can communicate with a virtual assistant online or contact HP support for guided troubleshooting. Make sure that you are signed in to your account before accessing HP support. To chat to a virtual assistant in HP app, click Start Virtual Assistant. The virtual assistant launches and provides a list of several possible PC issues to guide you through the troubleshooting process. To view additional issues, you can click Show More. Select an option relating to the issue experienced with your PC and follow the prompts. Suppose you have an issue with your computer randomly freezing. In this case, you will select Computer Locks Up or Freezes. The virtual assistant dialog box displays and provides prompts to guide you through the troubleshooting process. If the prompts do not apply to the issue you're having with your PC, you can type your own question about the issue in the Enter Your Question text box. Then you click the arrow and follow the prompts. The virtual assistant will guide you through actions you could take to solve your PC problem. If the problem is still not resolved, you can repeat the process with a different question and try again. To exit the virtual assistant and return to the HP app, click the End Session button. If you need additional assistance to troubleshoot your PC, you can use the HP app to contact local HP support for assistance. To do so, click Contact Us. The Contact Us tile will display contacts for regional HP support if available. There is also a Case History tile on this screen, which will show details of past interactions with HP support. Initially, the Case History tile will be empty, but when you contact HP support, a case history that tracks your status will display in the tile. Once you've got the information you require, you can click the Close button to exit the HP app, or click My Computer to return to the HP app.